Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and an interesting thing that we have more and more connected devices, and of course, what is also connected today, a lot of cars. As the cars become a lot more a technology that is centered about media centers and infotainment systems, as they call them. Well, we have news that Ford and Lincoln vehicles are actually vulnerable to a remote code execution. So, of course, the company behind the cars are saying that of course, it's not dangerous for the driving part and safety isn't a problem. Still, it makes you think about all of this. So, the Wi-Fi and Sync 3 infotainment systems from these cars actually have a flaw. Now, one of the mitigation that they say is you can turn off Wi-Fi. That fixes the problem because nobody can access. But any cars or anyone near your car that had access to the Wi-Fi can actually do a remote code execution that will actually what happens is that, like in Windows and every operating system, the operating system of the car can be vulnerable to a buffer overflow, which makes part of it crash and opens up, of course, a flaw where you can actually now exploit this and do what you want. So, of course, one of the things that says Ford is that they will issue a fix for this soon. Where I got a problem with this fix is the fact that they rely on the consumer to kind of download it from the internet, put it on a USB thumb drive, and update the system. I mean, tech enthusiasts do that, and I'm not sure that the regular folks that have a car do that. And this is where I have really a hard time with all of this. If you put these systems in cars, first of all, you have to make sure that these are totally isolated from everything else that your car can do, so that it doesn't cause problems with the driving and maybe accidents and be really fatal. But the other thing is, one I've always thought about it because now I don't own a car, but I will rent a car when I need one. And renting a car, you get into each cars and you have these systems, and you notice that everybody that has either linked their phone through Bluetooth or all of the systems that you can use, actually, it's crazy all the personal information that people just leave in there and don't understand what they just shared and what they just did. And it makes me think twice before I link my phone or want to link anything technology to the cars today. So if you want to know who's affected by this flaw, the cars, Ford Escort, Ford EcoSport, 2021-2022, the Ford Escape, 2021-2022, Ford Bronco Sport, 2021-2022, the Ford Explorer, 2021-2022, Ford Maverick, 2022, Ford Expedition, 2021, the Ford Ranger, 2022, the Ford Transit Connect, 2021-2022, the Ford Super Duty, 2021-2022, Ford Transit, 2021-2022, Ford Mustang, 2021-2022, and the Ford Transit CCCA, 2022. I have a question that goes with this today. Are you scared of the fact that your car gets even more and more complex with all of these info systems that have Wi-Fi, satellite, Bluetooth? And is security something that you think about when you use these devices? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.